It's a suburb of Mumbai that's often in the news for all the wrong reasons. Mumra, located outside Mumbai, is notorious for its high crime rate and many terrorist shootouts. It's an image that the women in the community want to change through theatre.
आमतौर पे कहा जाता है कि मर्द ही सिर्फ गंदी बातें करते हैं या फहश बातें करते हैं या सेक्स या जिन्स के मौजू पर बात करते हैं, मगर बीबी ऐसा नहीं है। औरतें भी इस पर बहुत बात करती हैं।
The words of writer Ismat Chughtai, written nearly 70 years ago, continue to resonate in modern-day Mumra. Words that talk about a woman's right to a sexual identity, being told in an area where they are often not even allowed to step out of their homes alone or get an education. Many of these women on stage had to fight fierce family opposition to be here. Families which were dead against seeing their wives and daughters on stage talking about issues like women's rights, sexuality and religion. A mindset that women like Reshma are determined to change. Like many here, she's never been to school or had the same liberties as her brothers did.
Initially, my family was against the idea of my doing the play. Then I explained to them that it was about women's right to education, and they agreed. I have never been to college, but I have seen a lot because a lot of women come to the library and talk about their problems.
मेरी बहना मांगे आजादी, लेके रहेंगे आजादी, छीन के रहेंगे आजादी।
जो बहुत सारे औरतें, बहुत सारी
Girls from the present generation want a change. They want to get an education and they need guidance and support.
वो एजुकेशन लेवल पे सपोर्ट होने चाहिए, उन्हें सोशल और इकोनॉमिकल लेवल पे सपोर्ट चाहिए।
Through such performances, the women are not just trying to reach out to each other, but also to a larger community, both within Mumra and outside of it.
Through the play, I want to change the image of Mumra, that girls who live here are backward and people are not progressive.
हमें इस नाम को ऊंचा करना है, आगे करना है।
In Mumra, Shai Venkatraman for NDTV.